The air conditioning in my 2013 Lexus RX350 is not blowing cold. It takes a really long time to eventually cool down. I should be able to measure between 35 and 50 degrees Fahrenheit, but right now it's reading 80 degrees. So I'm going to recharge my air conditioning system, refilling it with more refrigerant. Follow along if you want to see how this is done. I picked up these cans of refrigerant from AutoZone. This one's already empty, but I'll reuse this filler on this original can on a smaller, cheaper can of refrigerant. And underneath the hood in this area, I don't even have to remove any of these beauty covers. I'm looking for the low pressure side of the air conditioning system, and that port is right here. There's a cap on the port, and if you look really closely, it's marked with the letter L. The high pressure port is right here. The top of this cap is marked with a letter H. You definitely do not want to attach your refrigerants to the high pressure. Make sure you're attaching it to the low pressure side of the air conditioning system. So I'm going to attach my old filler to my new cap of refrigerant. It simply screws on. Good. Unscrew the cap on the low pressure side of the refrigerant line. Here you can see the letter L for low pressure. And the vehicle is running, air conditioner is right now on full blast, running at the lowest temperature possible. Attach this end of the filler nozzle to the low pressure side of your vehicle's cooling system. There you can see it attached. Reading this pressure gauge, I'm actually in the filled or green region. I don't want to overfill the system, but I know that I'm not getting the cooling expected from an air conditioner, so I'm going to fill a little further and remain inside the green region. To begin filling, I'll make sure the can is upright, agitate it a little bit, and I'll pull the trigger. Continue agitating and shaking the can every 2 to 3 seconds, rotate horizontally, and then back vertically. Continue to do this until your can is empty. You've added all the refrigerant to your vehicle system, or your needle on this gauge has gone up sufficiently within the green region. During this process, this can is going to begin becoming cold, indicating refrigerant is going into your vehicle from the can. I'll call this good, so let's pull off our fill nozzle. Simply pinch and pull to release from the vehicle. Reattach this cap. It threads on. There we go. And let's go measure our air conditioning temperature. All right, that is much cooler, 44 degrees Fahrenheit. We are good to go. I hope this helps you with your project.